Hello Professor, I am Imran. In this video I am going to explain my project on Weka Explorer. For this project I have taken the data from UCI machine learning repository. This data is about the cars, and we have variables, 7 variables we have, like price, overall price of the car, and the maintenance price of the car, comfort levels, and number of doors, and the capacity of the car in terms of persons, and the size of the luggage board. And using all these input variables I'm going to predict the overall class of the car. Is it unaccepted or accepted, good and very good? For this I have downloaded this dataset from this website, and I have opened the Weka Explorer using this dataset. As you can see here, there are 1728 instances with 7 attributes, and you can see here there are 4 classes which are unaccepted, accepted, good and very good values for the class. And here you can see the count of each class. Unaccepted has 1210, accepted has 384, good has 69, and very good has 65. So in this I am going to build 2 models, and I want to see the accuracy, changing the training split of the data, like training and test sets. First I am going to build multi-layer perceptron. Here I am maintaining Excel sheet of 50-50 and 80-20. So first I want to give the percentage split as 50 and want to see the accuracy of my data set. As you can see here, now the model is being built on the training data. You can see here I have given the value for the hidden layers as A, which means that the number of hidden layers would be the number of variables plus number of classes by 2. Here I have 7 attributes and 4 classes. So here we can see the number of hidden layers, and as you can see here, all the hidden layers from sigmoid 4 to 15 has been connected to the input, and the rest are connected to the output. And you can see here the weights for each node, and here I have given the learning rate as 0.3. This learning rate is the learning rate of the model related to the errors, and it will, depending upon the errors, it will change the weight. And as you can see here, the accuracy for our present model is 95. So 50% of our data is test. So we have total 1728, and 50% is 864. As you can see here, the accuracy is 95.833%. So we have classified only 4% wrongly. Here you can see the cars with unaccepted stage. 18 cars has been classified as accepted, and here you can see 6 plus 2 plus 2, like 10 cars has been wrongly classified in the accepted stage from unaccepted and good and very good. And here you can see there are no mistakes in very good classification, but there are few mistakes, 5 mistakes in good classification. So now I will change the percentage rate to 80, and we can see the difference between our accuracy from our previous split. I will maintain an Excel sheet for this. It was 4.8. the first one was 95.8, and for the second model we can see that we got the 100% accuracy because we have increased the training data set. And in the confusion matrix also we can see all the classes have been classified correctly. So we can see the change in the accuracy for our model. Now even I want to build a model, decision tree model. This is J48. So I want to do first for the 50% data set, and here you can see the accuracy is 85.99%. Out of total test 864, which is 50%. 121 classes has been incorrectly classified. So here it is 85.9. and now I want to repeat the same procedure for using the split as 80%. Now the accuracy has been increased from 85 to 91. So using this model we can see the classification of cards depending upon the variables. So this is about my model. Thank you.